iQuanta is launching its new batch this February with the most important topic of quantitative aptitude. What is that topic? Any guesses? I think you guessed that right. It's arithmetic. So this is the statistical data of the last 3 years, that what was the weightage of arithmetic across different chapters. So the three clusters which I have made: averages, ratio, mixture allegations, profit and loss, SICI, percentages. Now this is something which can also be termed as percentages and its applications. SICI is simple interest, compound interest. Must have heard back in standard 7th or 8th in your schools. TST is time, speed and distance, time and work. This in itself is a huge topic, and that actually reflects in the number of questions that they have asked. So in the first cluster, we had 3 to 5 questions in 2022, 4 to 6 in 2023, and 3 to 5 in 2024. From the second cluster, that is percentages and applications, 1 to 3 questions in 22, 2 to 3 questions in 23, 2 to 3 questions in 2024. From this, the huge topic that I said, 3 to 5 questions in 2022, 2 to 3 questions in 23, and 2 to 3 questions in 2024. By the way, you might be thinking that why I can't pick an exact absolute number. The reason is because every year CAT has 3 slots, so we have taken an average across all the slots. What was the range of questions from arithmetic that were asked? Cool. So that means on an average there are 8 to 10 questions from arithmetic itself. 8 to 10 questions, and even if I assume that you don't do everything right, still you'll be able to get above 95 percentile in quants just by doing arithmetic. Let's see how. So this is the exact statistical comparison of the last year. What exactly happened? We have the scores of VARC, LRDI, and QA. So if I talk about QA, that is quantitative aptitude, 95th percentile was obtained at 22 marks. 22 marks. One question, one correct answer in CAT fetches you +3. One wrong takes away 1 mark. +3 - 1 is the marking scheme. So if we have 8 to 10 questions, let's say 10 questions in arithmetic, how many you have to do? So let's say you solve 8 questions correctly and 2 questions wrongly, still you'll be able to get 22. So this is quants, and in addition to arithmetic, there is algebra as well, which normally is around 30% of the entire weightage. 15% to geometry, 9% number system, 6% to modern maths, which comprises of permutations, combinations, and probability. Great. So having said that, even if people, kind of just focus on this and do everything correctly, they'll still be able to fetch above 95 in just quants. And if they look at these two, which is 70% of the entire quant section, wow. So you will be at the, 7th heaven, 7th, what do you call it? 7th level of enlightenment, maybe. So you will be at the best stage of your CAT score. Anyways, now overall score is something which you can look at, 70.5 for over 95. But I would suggest if you get even 95 percentile in all 3 sections individually, overall your score will be close to 99th percentile, and that's a huge score. You'll be able to get at least 3 out of top IM calls. All right. Now, this new batch, the timeline, let's discuss that. The moment you enroll, you'll get access to 2 brilliantly designed modules. One is called non-engineers conceptual videos for those who are extremely weak in quants. Okay. And engineers VARC videos for those who are struggling in the VARC sections. Plus 12 sets hard copy. This is an add-on. You can subscribe to this. 12 sets hard copy CAT material as per updated pattern. It has close to 5,000 questions. By the way, these 2 are self-paced course. That means you can just enroll right now, just after watching this video. We'll be starting the syllabus, the course in the last week of February. But if you enroll right now, you'll be accessing these 2 self-paced videos through which you'll be able to, kind of hone up your skills for quants, that is mathematics, and also VARC. By the way, this the first module, non-engineers quant, it's nothing but bite-sized videos based upon the NCERT books starting from standard 6th to standard 10th. And that is what CAT is composed of, right? So now going to the next thing. how will we cover the entire course? Phase 1, Feb to June. Phase 2, June to September. Phase 3, September to October. Obviously, November you have the exam. So the first phase is all about coverage of the entire syllabus. This will take around 4 to 5 months. And after that, this 7-step process to complete each and every topic. 7-step process, what's that? So you can just watch this video, this card, click on that. You can watch this after watching this video, obviously. That 7-step process. And after every topic that we complete, we'll be having a marathon. Marathon is composed of moderate to difficult level CAT relevant questions. Okay, then comes phase 2, June to September. This is the phase where you put in action all the things that you've studied by now, which will be mocks and practice tests. So the 35 full-length mocks and 45 sectionals, like 15 sectionals in each section. That means for VARC we have 15 mocks only for VARC, for LRDI 15, for QA 15, and these are full-length mocks. 35 full-length mocks are there, out of which 20 are proctored and rest are unproctored. Okay, now coming to phase 3. In phase 3, this is an add-on if you want to subscribe for it. I am ABC practice module, in which there will be a lot of other questions. So basically, let's say that you have completed everything that we have done in phase 1, phase 2, you want more questions. This is your go-to module, an ABC practice module, in which we have 3,000 quant questions, 500 RC sets, 500 LRDI sets, and even we have video solutions for this. And this will be in 2 parts, static and dynamic. So static will be done. Static is like self-paced. You can, whenever you want to practice questions, you can just open the module, practice the questions, and move ahead. And dynamic will be done via a Facebook group, in which we'll be giving you certain questions of quant, LRDI, and RC every day. So 50% is static, 50% is dynamic. Cool. Now, CAT Crash Course. This is a flagship program. The last 2 months, it will be full of revision, rigorous practice. We should be discussing not just the questions, but also the concepts in a far, I would say, it will be kind of step-by-step explanation, and also very minute details we talked about, and a lot of tips and tricks and shortcuts also will be there. So, and this will be a fast-paced course, obviously, because the last 2 months we will complete the entire syllabus. So in a way, you will be covering your syllabus thrice. Through live class, application class, that is twice, and then through the crash course. In between, there are a lot of practice sessions and mocks as well. Okay, now how to start your prep. This is the proper details of what we discussed in the previous slide. Feb last week, start arithmetic, which has the highest weightage. Give 1.5 hours a day and 5 hours on weekends for 45 days. 45 days, because arithmetic will be completed in 45 days. Start solving 15 questions daily, apart from the live and application classes. And while doing this, do not forget the other 2 sections. So you should be doing at least 1 RC set every day and 1 LRDA set every day for the first 45 days. Cool. Now, April, 15 days. In this period, we'll be starting with modern maths. That is permutations, combinations, probability. Next 16 days, 15th April to 15th May, that is complete 1 month. 30 days will be algebra. Algebra has a very high weightage for the next 30 days. Then 15th May to 15th June, the geometry for the next 30 days. And the last 15 days, we'll be doing number system for the last 15 days. And while doing this, starting from April 1st to 30th June, you should be doing at least 2 RC sets a day. Practice 45 minutes verbal ability as well, which is composed of para jumbles, odd one out, para completion, etc. LRDI, 2 LRDI sets minimum every day. So VRC and LRDI parts will remain same throughout this journey of from 1st April to 30th June. Okay, so this new batch, what is special in this batch? Okay, obviously you know us, Mr. Indrajit Singh, who is the CEO and founder of this company. This is me, Abhishek Dilabande, Mr. Rajkumar Jha, Mr. Kamal Lohia, and Mr. Prashant Chadha. Now, this is something that is new, all right? Mentors. So here we have an IIM Bangalore alumnus, the chief mentor, and other people, FMS, ISP, ISB, IIM Mumbai, MDI Gurgaon, ISB, MDI Gurgaon, IIM Calcutta, IIM Bangalore. These guys will be there in the WhatsApp group that we'll be making. And if you have any problem regarding strategy, regarding college-specific questions, you can just tag them and talk to them. That's something which is a new add-on. I hope this is going to help you a lot, and this will be a really enjoyable journey. At the very same time, you'll have proper connect with the industry experts, with the alumni network. And obviously, in addition to what we are doing, live classes, application classes, mocks, 7-step process, crash course, and in the end, on 30th November, you will crack CAT with flying colors. So I'll see you in the classes.